Hello parents, my name is Mark Lyons. I'm a Technology Integration Specialist for Bay Aranac ISD. Today we're going to go through the basics of Google Classroom. So once you have created a Google account, you're going to be going up to the waffle here and clicking on Google Classroom. Some of the schools have provided information through email with a code, or other schools have provided an email that has enlisted the students already. So we're going to do it with the code. So we're going to click on the plus here. We're going to join the classroom. And for the classroom that I created just for the parents, it's going to be this code that I'm typing in here. And all I do is hit join. It's adding me to the classroom. So once you're into Google Classroom, these are just the basics here. You're going to get the name of the classroom that you're in, some more information that your teacher may have provided you, and then you're going to come to the stream. So the stream, I'm trying to tell everybody that it's kind of like the hallway. It's where you can chat with others, you can post and comment on things that others have posted or that the teacher has posted. So the stream is just going to be a bunch of different questions or comments. So typically you won't find the work in your stream, but for instance, right here, for this classroom that is just for this tutorial purpose only, there's a question here about, welcome to Google Classroom. How's everyone doing? I can say we are doing fine, and I can submit that, and that's just going to be a comment on the stream. So this is a great way to communicate with others, especially if you have just basic questions about the classroom. If you go up to classwork, this is where you're going to actually find your resources and your work pertaining to which week that you're on. Typically, most teachers will only post 1 week worth of work. So this will be for this coming week, and then next week there will be week 2, and you have more assignments on there. So this is the important part for the parents and students to have. When you're going into something like this, we're asking people to put their initials and to make sure they turn in the work. If you do not turn in the work, we won't know if you've seen it or not. So this is just a practice question. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to view the questions. So how have you been keeping busy since the last time you were at school? So again, I have a little comment in here from the teacher. Please initial it before turning in an assignment. I could post a question here or a comment pertaining to this, but this is where you're going to want to type your answer in here. So, we have been going for walks. And then I'm going to put my initials in there. And this is where your son or daughter, or if you're helping out with this, you can turn this in. And it's going to ask you if you want to make sure. Turn it in. And that is going to be submitted to the teacher. So after you turn your assignment in, if you go back to where we had started, we're going to click on week 1. It's going to actually show you that you turned something in. And you can go back there and review it if you needed to, just by clicking on it. You can always send the teacher or myself any questions about Google Classroom. I'm going to provide my email at the end here. So again, just to let you know, this is a short answer assignment. They won't all look like that. Some of them might have a PDF where you need to mark it up using Kami, which is a extension on Google Chrome. We'll go into that in the next tutorial. But this is another assignment that this teacher has assigned, and this is where I'm actually open up a Google Doc and type in the Google Doc, and then I'll turn it in just like how we did up here. Going back to the main page, I wanted to go over a couple of different things. Again, it's always going to show your class code up here, so if you ever forget, if you're logged off and this is your code, you might want to write this down and take a picture of it so you have it somewhere. Most of the teachers will have something like this up on their header. This is going to give you access to video chats. I know some of you may be participating in those, and if you do, this is where if the teacher has created a time to do a video chat, and this is what we're going to be going into. Going over this again. These are just the people that are in your classroom. I don't believe you're going to have to worry anything about your grades, but this will show your assignments that you've turned in. And just a quick overview. The stream, think of it kind of like as a Facebook where you can post comments, pictures, ask questions of the teacher. Your classwork is just like what it says. This is going to be all your work assignments and resources. These are just the people that are in your classroom, and that is the real quick basics of Google Classroom. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My email will be at the bottom here, and I have office hours Monday through Friday. Thank you so much for joining me.